Hello, fellow eBayers. You might have encountered a new problem where you can no longer find and replace using the bulk editing tool. And a lot of your pictures, like the ones I have in this ad, the pictures are gone. My header picture, the video pictures show up, but there's a picture gone here, there's a picture gone to the left and right there, to the left and right there, the bottom, my operating rules, sales conditions, all that stuff is just gone, and there's no way the old tool in the bulk editing, find and replace, will work to fix this. Now there is a workaround. There's a nice little tool hidden over here. It does a lot of interesting things. We're going to cut and paste that. And all you got to do is put your seller name in, select your country, get your items. Now this will do a lot of other neat things for you. It will not only find and replace the text, which eBay will not do, but it'll remove active content, remove non-eBay links, repair targets, take out things like JavaScript and all of that. So it makes your ads 100% compliant. Now, we have bought a certificate, so we can now use just https hydrogenappliances.com and get a photo to appear on eBay. Months ago, we had to use a certificate from our hosting company, Bare Metal. So we want to find and replace that word. We're going to find that down here. FindACode. You don't want to skip any spaces like that. You want to be real tight. Make sure you do this very accurately. Copy. We're going to move that out of the way again. If I can get a grip on it. Looks like I'm just going to have to close it. And then paste. And then we're going to start a scan. And you're going to see it's going to go through all our items and scan them. And, scanning them up here, 100, 125. It's going through all the items. And sorry about that. I had to open that file back up. And the ones that are highlighted have errors. These are the violated items. These have errors. These are scanned. These were okay. So we only got 10 violations. And we got some widgets, and all these items, I guess these items here are the ones that had needed the bare metal part removed. Okay, so you come down a little further, and you have to go to this number 1 file exchange, and you have to download a special file here. It's a special zip file. Let me make this website a little smaller. I have to make it a little larger. Anyhow, no. Download zip. I can't show you because I did put the screen in the wrong spot. But there's a little file down here. That's a zip file. Oh yeah, I can. I just got to move it up. I never use these on-screen capture tools. Okay, so you can download this zip file, save it, and it's going to be saved right here. Show downloads. And there it is. I'm going to put this file on the desktop. I'm just going to close this down. I'm going to move this over here. I'm going to just put this in a folder. I'm going to call the folder 88 or 77. How's that? Anything works. Open this up. Nope, I don't want to buy anything today. I just want to unzip this file. Extract. I'm going to extract to file number 77 or folder number 77. And there it is. Now let's give this a special name. Let's call it 888, just so we don't get it confused with the other one. And we're going to put this up here on the desktop. Close these other two down. Now you have to do something special with this file before you can use it. Okay, this is all your code. It's a huge amount of code that builds this website. But watch carefully. Under column B, don't touch down here, touch the B. Then do a right click. Then format your cells. Then under number, you're going to take 2 and turn it to 0. This is real important. Now, you're going to come up here and save as. And let's give this an extra 88. We're going to make this a really long file. I'm going to save it inside that folder so I know where it ends up. And yes. In fact, I'm gonna save it again because it's supposed to ask me that question. Save as. We're gonna put a 888 on there. Okay. Now we can just close this down, and we're not going to save any changes. So okay, we're going to move that file up here where we can see it. And then we are going to be going to a special eBay link called the File Exchange Center. Copy. And we're going to go to eBay. Paste and go. This is the File Exchange Center. We're going to upload a file. And we know this is on the desktop. This is our email address. We're going to browse. I got to get up here to the desktop and find that long file with the 88888. Okay, we've got it down here. It's captured now. Now we're going to upload. This is going to make everything eBay compliant, and it's going to change all our code, find and replace our HTTPS, and strip out the word baremetal.com. We can take a brief look in here, look at upload results. These are other uploads I've done. This is one we just did. It's in the queue, and it's processing, and there's no report available. These have all completed. And this takes about an hour. But this is how you fix up eBay files the easy way. Find and replace any word, HTML or words that you use across your ads continually. You can do this in bulk using these tools. The file exchange tool is Tricky to use. You need to learn the little tricks I taught you. But it's a great way to do it. It's a great workaround because eBay does not work the way it used to. Anyhow, have a great night. Bye-bye.